Hello, so here is Klassly app, former Classroom app. So to install it on iPhone, just tap Get in your App Store, and the size is 130 megabytes. So then you can just install it. So with this app, you can just share pics, videos, voice on your timeline, share information with your students, families in real time. And then, so this is kind of the app which is designed for teachers, students, and parents. So it combines all of these groups in one place. So let's just try to open it up. Parent-teacher communication. For teachers, share unique moments and communicate easily. For parents, absence, delay at appointment. And then, let's go. So then you just need to enter your phone number. Then you just need to complete your profile. And just add your password. And then here is your account. And then you can choose to see notifications or not. So that's that. Then you can join existing class, create a new class. You can explore also the demo class. And there is your account. You can add kids, you can add the subscriptions. You can get on calls, you can get on chats. There are photo books. So there you have it, that's the idea.